And Honorable Speaker and Honorable Members, you can see it's just an extract of a very short part of my full interview. And again, Honorable Speaker, the video is not dated. I cannot even remember which date was that. So I believe I talked about so many governance issues, and that's why I'm saying that our business is to oversight the county government of Meru. Yeah. And I believe the law does not limit the many times or how I oversight the government of Meru.
Yes. So in totality, now as I yield the witness to cross-examination, in totality, from all the evidence and the testimonies and the witnesses you're going to call, of course you shall get to that, but from all the evidences, the video evidences you've played, that have been played here, and the documents that have been shown in terms of the exhibits, what do you ask the Senate to do?
Thank you very much. I believe that from the case that I've presented to the Senate, I personally believe that the gross violations by the governor of Meru have impacted negatively on service delivery in Meru County. Honorable Chair, Honorable Speaker, and honorable members, I would want to submit that the people of Meru are crying. I would want to submit that service delivery in Meru is highly compromised. I would also want to submit that there is poor governance, and also submit that there is no witch hunt, there is no malice, and there is no external influence on the County Assembly of Meru. My prayer is that this Honorable House, Honorable Chair, listens to the people of Meru, listens to the cry of the people of Meru, and saves the people of Meru from the agony of crying each day, in and out, from January to December.
Madam Witness, the final question, how would you like the Senate to treat the videos from that gentleman? The gentleman who his name is? Al-Hajj, the gentleman, yes.
On the videos, on the video of the gentleman called Al-Hajj, I would want really to say, Honorable Speaker and honorable members, that it is really unfortunate, it is uncalled for. Those sentiments do not represent the feelings of the Assembly. Those sentiments do not represent the feelings or the view of the people of Meru. And I believe he made those remarks on his own behalf. And I believe the people of Meru, including the County Assembly of Meru, has a lot of confidence in this house. And that's why we have come again and again, so that we can get reprieve from this house. So I regret those comments from Araj, and on behalf of the County Assembly of Meru, those comments are highly regrettable.
Thank you, Madam Witness. Thank you, Madam Speaker. I yield the witness for cross-examination by the Governor's team.
Thank you. Now, Counsel for Governor for cross-examination.